We're about to check out from Kindness Hotel today. We've had a great time in here. The room is superb. The service is superb. We highly recommend this hotel. You can check out some of the details that we will share in this video. And we look forward to staying here again in our future travels, in our future visits in Kaohsiung. Alright, Kaohsiung, that's it. We're going back to Taipei. We're gonna take the first we're going to Zuoying high-speed rail station, and from there we're gonna ride the high-speed train going to Taipei. The trip will take us 2 hours to get there. See you there! just arrived at our hotel. We've already checked in and got our key card for the room. For today, we're going to freshen up first and then we will head to Shifen. We don't have much in our itinerary today. We'll probably drop by night market later in the day. Left our hotel and it's now 5:19 in the afternoon. We're going a few meters away and wait for bus number 63 going to Taipei station, and then from Taipei station we will ride the train going to Shifen. Let's see if how long it will take for us to get to Shifen. See you there.
Here right now in Shifen Old Street. It's about 8 PM. Medyo natagalan kami because it took about 2 hours from Taipei main city.
Yung mga kasama namin, they're preparing. Actually, they're writing their wishes na on the lantern. Later on, we'll show you the rates. Kung magkano yung inaabot ng mga lantern dito.
Hindi lang Chinese characters pwede may lagay, so you can also write in English. Mostly health, ano pa ba?
Success in life.
Success in life,
in
business,
love life, stuff like that. Konti lang yung tao dito.
8 PM na kasi, so last minute na ito.
Yeah, some of the shops are already closing. Many of the shops are already closed pala.
So I think it's better for you to come here earlier. Maybe early in the morning or maybe bandang hapon siguro,
yeah,
mid-afternoon, noontime or mid-afternoon.
Yeah, and it's best to bundle it with a trip to Shifen or Keelung or Shifen Night Market.
Because it's closer. So, ayan, nakikita nyo sa likod, meron ng mga magpapalipad ng, ng lanterns. Meron na nakasulat ng mga wishes dyan sa likod. And we will show you in the video.
Smoking. I think it's about to burn. It's scary.
They believe that when you light a lantern, magdadala to with your wishes, magdadala to sa langit para matupad yung mga wish ninyo. Well, it's nasa sa inyo na if you believe in that, but I think it's a great experience for you to have pag nandito kayo sa Shifen or sa Taiwan. Ayan, may dumadaan ng train sa likod. Actually, pag dumadaan yung train na to, tumatabi lahat yung mga it's an active railway, so ayun, a very cool experience.
Hello. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, let go.
Take off.
Yeah.
Amen.
Kami from palipad ng lantern. Last train ride at 8:50. It's 8:30 in the evening. So bulin namin yung last train ride pabalik sa Yufang station. If you haven't subscribed to their channel, subscribe now from Manila.
And hit that like button and the notification bell so you will know when there is a new episode up. So that's it, guys. See you on the next video.
Stay tuned for day 4 as we visit the Taipei Zoo. Take a ride at the Maokong Gondola and see the majestic Taipei 101.